Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the batteries on your Bang & Olufsen Beo4 remote control. It's actually quite awkward to do unless you know the knack. And once you know that, it's really easy to do. So what we have to do is we have to push up on this bit here, like that. And it only moves up about 1 millimeter, but it will allow you access to get your nail just under here. And you have to keep applying a little bit of pressure up and lift it out here and it will click. There. Once it clicks, you then just go all the way out like so, and then it will lift out like that. I'll do that one more time because it is a little bit awkward. So fully down like that, push it up just 1 millimeter, nail under here while putting pressure up until it clicks, and then you can go the rest of the way. It takes 3 AAA batteries. And we put them in negative side at the bottom against a spring. That way there you can see the plus up here, and they all go negative down, and that one there. And then to place it back on, we just locate these in this holes here, like so, push them down, and then go all the way down, like that. So that's how to change the batteries on your Beo4 remote control. Thanks for watching.